Ever wondered if your digital treasures locked away in Uphold are truly safe from the prying eyes of hackers? In today's world, where cyber threats loom larger than ever, it's a question that deserves a serious answer. You've entrusted platforms like Uphold with your hard-earned money and valuable cryptocurrencies, and the thought of it all vanishing in a digital heist is understandably unsettling. So, let's dive deep into the security measures Uphold has in place. Think of Uphold as a digital vault, and like any good vault, it employs multiple layers of protection. One of the first lines of defense is encryption. This process scrambles your sensitive data, making it unreadable to anyone who might intercept it. It's like writing your secrets in a code that only the intended recipient can decipher. Uphold utilizes robust encryption protocols to safeguard your personal and financial information, both when it's traveling between your device and their servers, and when it's stored on their systems. Beyond encryption, Uphold implements multi-factor authentication, MFA. Consider this as adding extra locks to your digital vault. Instead of just a password, MFA requires you to provide additional verification, such as a code sent to your phone or a biometric scan. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if a hacker manages to get their hands on your password. Now, what about the platform itself? Uphold employs sophisticated security systems and protocols designed to detect and prevent malicious activity. Their security teams are constantly monitoring for suspicious behavior and working to stay ahead of evolving cyber threats. They regularly update their security measures to address new vulnerabilities and ensure the platform remains resilient. Furthermore, Uphold often emphasizes the importance of user responsibility in maintaining account security. This includes using strong, unique passwords, being cautious of phishing attempts, and enabling MFA. Think of it as ensuring you keep the keys to your digital vault safe and don't fall for tricks that might lead you to hand them over to the wrong people. However, it's crucial to understand that in the digital realm, no platform can claim absolute, 100% immunity from cyber attacks. The landscape of cyber threats is constantly evolving, and even the most robust security measures can potentially be breached by highly sophisticated and persistent attackers. What sets reputable platforms like Uphold apart is their proactive approach to security, their commitment to implementing industry best practices, and their responsiveness in the event of a security incident. They invest significant resources in building and maintaining a secure environment for their users. So, is Uphold safe from hackers? While no online platform can guarantee absolute security, Uphold employs a comprehensive array of security measures, including encryption, multi-factor authentication, and robust platform security protocols to significantly mitigate the risk of successful cyber attacks. They also emphasize the crucial role of users in maintaining their own account security. Ultimately, the safety of your assets on any digital platform is a shared responsibility. By understanding the security measures in place and taking proactive steps to protect your own account, you can significantly enhance your security posture. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.